Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Safereum token. Now the Safereum token is doing very well right now in their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They have well over a day left to go on this pre-sale, so you can go check it out before the pre-sale is over. Right now they're trending number 3. They were trending number 1 earlier for a long time. They sold a lot of tokens so far. They're way past their soft cap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their Twitter has 4,201 followers. It says the sequel awaits 2023's biggest launch. Make decentralized meme coins great again. No taxes. Contract renounced, contract audited, 1-year LP lock. Their Twitter just joined in June 2023. Blue verified check mark on there. 24 posts. Their webpage is safereum.io. Their Telegram is at safereum_portal. 215 subscribers on there so far. They also have some other socials here listed on Pinksale. They have a Reddit you could check out. They also have a GitHub on here. Now, the soft cap for this pre-sale, this is an Ethereum token. Soft cap was set at 10 ETH, and they've already made it to 31.269 Ethereum worth of tokens sold, and I'm sure they're going to sell a whole lot more. They've been trending in the top 12 for a while here, and yeah, they're off to a great start. So their webpage has got a lot of information on there that you can review as well. Now, they have a how to buy section on their webpage for after the pre-sale is over. But for right now, pre-sale is still going to go on for another day or so. It's a public pre-sale. It'll end exactly October 5th, 23:59 UTC time. Right now, initial market cap estimate for this project is $71,621. This is a public pre-sale, almost 100 investors so far. Anybody can get involved in the pre-sale. You don't have to be on a whitelist or anything like that. There's 18 decimal places on this token, a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. It says, welcome to Safereum on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's a combination of the word safe and Ethereum. And, you know, the very popular Safe Moon token was probably, you know, the most popular token with the word safe in it. So it's kind of a play off of that, too, with the spaceship and everything like that. So it says, returning to the roots of cryptos, marketers pushed their previous onboarded project to 300K plus holders. So I wish they'd tell you which project that was and which marketers so we could know. But it says proactive marketing, no taxes, KYC badged, which means that their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. Now it says 5 audits, which is a lot. Now on Pinksale here, it does have 1 audit. Now a lot of the times when you know, you get a token listed on DEX tools there's at least 3 audits right there. So they could be talking about those ones like the token sniffer, happy security, like all those types of ones on there. Now it says top tier influencers, top callers, top tier KOLs, CoinMarketCap, Aave, Dex Tools trending, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko fast track, Central Exchange releases booked, mainstream press releases, the sequel awaits. So yeah, check out their Reddit too as well there. Now, if you missed this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, you can get it off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Safereum token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is safereum.io. Now, you probably will not have to alter slippage too much because it says 0% taxes, and liquidity will be locked on on Uniswap for 365 days. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, 45% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Then we got the rest here, 15.876% going to liquidity, 10% going to the Central Exchange liquidity pool plus Uniswap LP, 0.9% unlocked, which is hardly anything, and 28.224% of the tokens get burnt. Now there's a free and quick light audit here by Solid Proof in the discussion section on Pink Sale. There's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot set fees over 25%. Cannot pause trading. Cannot disable trading after enabled once. Cannot blacklist wallets. Authorized addresses cannot transfer tokens without enabling trading. So, erupting as the sequel to a monumental tale that forever transformed the cryptosphere, we echo the spirit of an unspoken predecessor while carving our own unique path. So, most likely they're talking about SafeMoon there. This is the sequel. Hopefully it doesn't end up like SafeMoon because that didn't end up very well. Now, they have their 5 audits here. SourceHat, InterFi Network, Cyberscope, SecureWise, and BlockSafu. So you can check out all 5 audits. They show you step by step how to get this token off of Uniswap after the pre-sale is over on their webpage if you want to check that out. But yeah, the tokenomics are on here. Their webpage is very slow loading up here. So token allocation pie chart, we already went over that. So there's no taxes, so that implies no reflections or anything like that either. So it's not like the same as SafeMoon in that regard. Now there is a roadmap starting with Phase 1, token launch, trendings, listing, 4 million plus daily volume, 2,500 holders. Phase 2 is going to be another audit, a full CertiK audit. Then sequel reveal, more market cap, more holders, Central Exchange listings, memetic power. So they have no utility yet. They're saying that basically utility will be announced in the future, so we'll have to wait and see what that is. But for now, you can check out the pre-sale on pinksale.finance. It's live for another day or so on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.